Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now I would like to begin my presentation, 2024 INAPRA Congress and the first INAPRA International Conference. My article is the comparison of relative clause translation in children's storybooks in Storyweaver. This article was written by me, Nunun Triwidarwati from Universitas Veteran Bangun Nusantara and Budi Purnomo from Universitas Surakarta. Translating relative clause might cause a problem in translation process. Relative clause, or usually as known as adjective clause, is embedded in a noun or noun phrase in order to modify it. The relative clause construction consists of two components, the head noun and the restrictive clause. Technically, relative clause is part of noun phrase that has a relativizer and verb, and it functions as pre-modifier or post-modifier. How the relative clause in children literature, children book stories are arranged, and how different translators transfer them into Indonesian. In 2022, Language Development and Fostering Agency, an agency under the Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology of Indonesia, conducted a translation project and hired some freelance translators to translate many children's storybooks from English into Indonesian, and some of them were taken from Storyweaver, a platform that has many children's stories around the world, and people can voluntarily translate the book. In translation process, it involved the translator themselves, editor, and the translation were reviewed before being uploaded. What makes it interesting is this platform allows people to translate the books and they are already translated into the same language. Therefore, the quality of translation will be different since people cannot seek out the translator background through the platform. The third question. First, how the relative clause structures in 4 level 2 until 3 children's storybooks in Storyweaver. Second, what are the comparison of the translation produced by the translator from Language Development and Fostering Agency and the 3 different translator through the translation technique, shifting, and the quality method. The study applied qualitative descriptive method. The source of data was 4 level 2 until 3 children's storybook in the Storyweaver and the translation. The study took the relative clause and their translation as the primary data. Meanwhile, for validity technique, we use focus group discussion with people mastering in the translation studies. The data were analyzed using the domain, taxonomy, componential, and cultural theme analysis. Result, the comparison of the translation technique used by the translator in translating the relative clause found that the translator of Language Development and Fostering Agency changed the clause from active unmarked relative clause that relativizes the subject into passive marked clause. In contrary, the 3 different translators in Storyweaver changed the passive unmarked clause that relativize the subject into active marked clause. Nonetheless, both of translation are acceptable since the change made by the translator are aimed to make the translation sound more natural. The result of shifting strategy. The shifting strategy was changed because of the use of modulation, explicitation, transposition, and discursive creation. In addition to co-shifting, the use of this technique also affects the translation quality. The accuracy and acceptability score of the translator from language development and fostering agency are 2.9 and 2.95 out of 3. Meanwhile, the free translator in Storyweaver gained 2.6 for accuracy aspect and 2.7 for acceptability aspect. The relative clause shifting in translation. Serena's father has a laboratory containing many objects. Ayah Serena mempunyai laboratorium yang di dalamnya ada banyak peralatan. Yang kedua, ayah Serena mempunyai sebuah laboratorium yang berisi berbagai macam alat. The two sentences above show how the subject are relativized using reduced relative clause in English. Since not all Indonesian grammatical rules do not permit the use of reduced relative clause, the relativized yang was added in both translation text 1 and 2. Conclusion, there are 20 relative clauses found in 4 children's storybook. Moreover, these clauses often relativize the subject uses and mark case relativization strategy. It makes sense since Keenan and Conry argued that subject is easier to relativize and this book are for children who learn to read. Thank you.